Hello my friends. My name is Ali Casper. Today we're going to cook Munggo beans. Most of the Filipinos, of course, knows what's that. For those who don't know, this is the Munggo beans. Okay, or we call it asuka brand beans. It's a green beans. Okay, just like that. Hope you can see it good. Okay, it's Munggo beans. And then the ingredients, one is Munggo beans. And then, what else? It's ginger. You have to slice the ginger. And then sliced tomatoes. And we have onions. And garlic. And we put some lemongrass. And then jackfruit seeds, that one. We ate jackfruit, the fruit, and I keep the seeds for the Munggo beans. So that's that. And then we slice the pork. It's up to you. You can put fish or pork. Today I'm going to put pork, so slice it into cubes like that. Or you can, since you boil this and make it soft, so you can put bigger than this, is up to you. And then we have Malunggay leaves. I'm not sure other people will call it differently, but this one is, we call it Malunggay leaves for Filipinos. And then of course, I put some spinach from my garden. And then I use beef bouillon. And then black pepper. So maybe you can put a pinch of black pepper. And then a pinch of salt. And then when almost done, you can pour coconut milk. Okay, so you need to boil the Munggo beans, so it might take like, this is already like almost 2 hours of cooking. It will take a long time, so if you want to make this soup, you have to do it in advance, because it will take forever if you will not plan in advance. So boil for like almost 2 hours, and after that I put the pork cubes. I mean the real pork is just sliced into cubes, and then the rest you just have to put all the ingredients together. And then once everything cooked, you pour the coconut milk. I'll show you a little bit later the finished product. Okay, thank you for watching. Soup looking good. So when everything is smooth and cooked, then last you need to pour the coconut milk, and I will show you later. It will be good. Malunggay leaves, I put the malunggay leaves already. 5 minutes later, I put the spinach, and it's ready to go. And then you can eat the Munggo bean soup with the fish fillet, braided with Parmesan cheese, sprinkled it with garlic salt or whatever you like. Anyway, it's Parmesan cheese. Hope this tastes good. I'll let you know. Talk to you later.